Hello students, today's topic is uniform and non-uniform motion. Students, uniform motion is a motion in which particle covers equal distance in equal time interval. For this, the speed of particle remains same, or this is also known as uniform speed or or constant speed. In given example, motorcyclist covers equal distance, that is 5 meter, in every 1 second. So the speed of particle or a motorcyclist is 5 meter per second. The next heading is non-uniform motion. In non-uniform motion, the distance covered by particle is not equal for the same interval of time. We have an example. In this case, motorcyclist covers 5 meter in 1 second, first 1 second, and 8 meter in next 1 second. So this is, the interval is variable. It means the speed of a particle is variable. That is, for the first interval 5 meter in 1 second, so speed is 5 meter per second, and for the second interval the speed is 8 meter per second, and in the next one it is 10 meter per second. Student, in non-uniform motion the speed of particle is variable. And another thing, for the non-uniform motion we have to calculate an acceleration. So the next heading is acceleration. Students, acceleration is only required to calculate when there is a change in velocity. It means for non-uniform motion, the value of acceleration is equal to the change in velocity to the time interval. We can represent acceleration by v minus u upon time t, where v is the final velocity of particle and u is the initial velocity of particle. Students, if v is greater than u, then acceleration value is positive, and it is only possible when particle direction and acceleration direction are same. It means force is applied on a particle in the same direction in which it is moving. In the next case, retardation or deceleration term comes in play when acceleration becomes negative. Students, it is only possible when final velocity is less than the initial velocity. It is possible to explain when force is applied on a particle or a moving body opposite to the direction of motion.